Hello. Today I'd like to show you our natural baby hairs in short lengths, which are very popular among wig makers. These baby hairs are collected in all colors. Mostly we cut dark natural colors in black, very dark brown, medium brownish, and even few light browns. These baby hairs are great for closures, hairlines, hair wigs, hair frontals, well, for most ventilating hair units. These baby hairs are very soft, very fine, pretty lightweight, virgin natural color. Cuticles are closed and very silky, high luster, glossy, smooth moisture, and they're all naturally rammed. Wig makers love our baby hairs. We have been collecting such baby hairs for years now, and we most times have them in stock for you. You may buy them in mixed colors at a good wholesale price, or you may buy them in a custom sorted order in a bit higher price. These baby hairs come mainly in raw cut hair ponytails. However, if you like, we can single drone them for a bit extra cash. Also, please note, we do not offer double drones at all. It's way too costly and too much hair wasting job. We don't like hair waste. And as you see here on the table, I do have different shapes of baby hairs. Some baby hairs come in so light wave forms, shapes, and some baby hairs come in natural straight shapes, forms, and whichever shape, form these baby hairs come, we always make sure that we cut and collect for you only the soft fine ones, which are good for wig making, closure making, hairline making, etc. These baby hairs can be easily bleached and colored, styled and permed. Well, it's a human hair and can be done almost anything like you would have your own hair. I've got here a couple of unfinished hair wig units. There's one in here, it's a bleached, blonde, ventilated hair wig, and it's gonna be medium density hair wig. And it's beautiful blondish hair, and it's gonna be full lace wig unit, and it's gonna be fully ventilated from bottom to the front with our bleached hairs. And there's another one in here. It is a high density medium coarse hair unit, and we are adding hairlines to the edges using our own baby hair ponytails. The hair on the wig is going to be medium coarse and slight wave at medium length. This wig unit will have high density hairs and will be later bleached to a light brownish color. Well, we will show you that process as well. Just subscribe, please. So this was my wig hair collection presentation, and keep in mind, please, these hairs don't sit and wait. We always have weekly hairs going in and out. So please, if you have any questions, comment below or email me, and thank you so much. Bye now. If you want to receive our notification for our listings, please subscribe and click bell button. Thank you.